Are you like me and find it to be incredibly inconvenient when you go camping or travel any other place where you need to bring your drinking water with you? That's why I am excited today to be talking to you about this portable electric water pump. I have this water pump all assembled right now, but let me take it apart and show you just how easy it is to get up and running. So you have this silicone hose. We'll take that off. I'll show it to you. It goes on right here. And you have the spigot right here. And there you go. So all I need to do to assemble it is just push this in here gently. You don't need to break it, just gently work it back and forth until you get it where you want it. And then, again, I'm going to take this silicone hose, or tube, whatever you want to call it, and fit it right there. And just take a minute wiggling it back and forth until you get it on there securely. Okay. And that's all there is to it. Now, this has and you see on the back, this has a micro USB charger. So the first thing you want to do is charge this up before you leave home, especially if you're going camping, and it should take care of you for quite a long time before you need to recharge it. If you do need to recharge it, it's really simple. Again, you could plug it from your car. You could charge it in your car. If you're someplace where you have a wall outlet, you could charge it that way. Or if you have a portable power bank. Either way, easy to use, and it lasts a long time before you need to recharge it. Now, you'll look at the bottom of this hose and you'll see this little plastic piece. And that works as a weight when you put it inside the water jug to make sure that the tube goes all the way down to the bottom so that you can get all of the water out. These are supposed to work with both 3 and 5 gallon water jugs. Now, I've only ever used mine with a 5 gallon water jug, but I see no reason why there would be any problems using it with a 3 gallon water jug. Let's talk about getting up and running and using the pump. First, I have this 5 gallon water jug, and as you can see, there's a cap on this that keeps any water from spilling when I'm moving it. So I'll take this off. Now, I should also say that the pump also comes with a blue silicone cap that can go on top of your water jug. And in the middle of that cap, there's a little hole where you can put the hose through the middle of it and feed it into the water jug. Now, I happen to use mine a lot, and my blue silicone cap is at my cabin. However, it works just fine without that cap. So all you need to do is put it in the water, and you will see, I'm going to back this up, and hopefully you can see that it goes all the way down to the bottom. It does a really good job with that little plastic weight. And now, let's pour some water. And I should have shown you, it's push button operation. Just push that button to turn it on and then turn it off again. There is a safety feature as well where it shuts off after 60 seconds, which is great if you're worried about kids playing with it and accidentally putting it on and walking away. At least it'll minimize any mess that's made. So, let's try this out. And almost instantly, you can see that it starts pumping water as soon as it gets that air out of the line. Makes a little humming sound, but it's really pretty quiet, and it's pretty fast. And certainly much more convenient than lugging around a bunch of 1 gallon water jugs or individual water bottles. This has been a game changer for us when we go camping or when we go to our cabin. These pumps come in 3 colors, black, white, and blue. So if you have a color preference, they've got you covered that way too. So if you're looking for a way to take some of the headache out of those times when you need to bring your drinking water with you when you travel, this is a great option to consider. I wholeheartedly endorse it. I hope this video was helpful.